Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dobyeng jongpi.
Hadian kejing gendu bat ki Sengbhalang banyak Kren halor ka kam penbej puot penbej sam. Umintri rangba kejela Conrad ki sangma. Ulom ulada ban Shai bah bin pabin ya ki Sengbhalang halor ka nongrem bak sarkar ka yeng na ka benta kejing penbej puot. Conrad ulong bah kejing penbej puot bak asam lai Kren bai kat kum ka kai phat jong usnam arja khatwe. Ya ka ba ka sarkar hakata ka por ka pen ya ki thup jong ki snong ki badan hapo ka Meghalaya. Bat kala bat pen kala biang ya ka kai phat jong usnam arja khatwe. Conrad ulong ru bak bha ban Phai Dien biang ya ka MOU kabala da banyasai apreng gejela Meghalaya bat Assam hakmat ka sarkar India. Henry hakabinta ka baar jong kejing penbej puot ulong bak sarkar kan persangkat bala menyekren bak Assam ban ai ki jaka syaka Meghalaya kumbala dawa dagi Sengbhalang. Henry wala kataru ulong ba umla ban kular bakan longbej.
Had a meeting with the different NGOs and they had raised the concerns about a few of the areas and they named the villages, and based on that we have shown them the historical facts. Also we've shown them the 2011 report which was the basis on which the entire discussion happened, and we showed them that how the villages that have been mentioned by them was already in the 2011 map shown in Assam. And therefore, it was very difficult for us to change that map and that report that was submitted by Government of Meghalaya in 2011 and include those villages that they had mentioned. And hence, it was a huge challenge, and we had to move forward with that report of 2011, and they have understood this now. But of course, their concerns are still there, and they say that the people's will is there, and the fact that people desire to be in Meghalaya, and they would like to see that this, at least those few areas that are there, some kind of steps could be taken to work out something in those areas. So we can't say anything right now, but of course the second phase has started. So while those discussions take place, we will see how to move forward, and in the meantime we can of course hear from the NGOs also what they have to say. But I think we have clarified all the details to them, and they have understood the technical challenges that are there, and they've realized also, I presume, that how this entire process had moved forward and how we came to this conclusion. But as I said, that there are concerns, and we will do our best to try and address those concerns. No, we can't ensure or we can't assure anything. But as I said, that there are these areas, concerns, and as we said, these are discussions that are moving forward. The MOU has been signed, but as we move forward in our discussions, as we move forward in the second phase, we will try and talk and discuss with our counterparts and see how things can be moved. But there's no question of changing the MOU as such. These are few villages which are right at the border, hardly 10 meters, 15 meters away from the line that is proposed. So we will see how it moves forward. It's not something that I can commit right now, but let the process continue. And we have noted down the concerns of the honorable, the NGOs and the members from the different organizations, and we will see how to move forward in that.
Katba na ki Sengbhalang pat kilaong bahadian bu menteri rangba ulapan Shai ki kilaong bagidan kisnong gibame hap satya hakajing kaja puot henry hakajing penbej puot lakan thup pat yaki kum kijaka yakaja. Upresent ke KSU samla lambok loong bawala menteri rangba ulabatay sa phang kai phat jong snam araja khatwei henry lada ka sarkar kamon ulong bakam dan jing AAA namar baro artli gijalla gidang hap hi hapo India bat dangla banyakran. Ulakan thoru halor ke jingle kerki jong sarkar haka kam penbej puot dak ba shushimrai naladi hi khlem de yaslok yi kitrai jaka ki nongsin shar lani ki district council ba ula ai jingmut bahakani ke benta baar ka sarkar ke deban sngap ya ka sur ki pajba.
They have shown us certain technicalities, certain maps, how it was done, when it was done. They have showed us the technical problems, why these things are happening. Nonetheless, we have told our Honorable Chief Minister that our demands, that there are certain areas that we have pointed out in our memorandum, that these areas, it should be reconsidered, it should be looked upon. And it was before the map for this signing of the MOU was submitted to the Assam government. this lands belong to the Nongbak Akeng and the Hima Nonglang, and this were never disputed. Assam never disputed for this lands. Assam never claimed this lands. This were always part of Meghalaya. So we pointed that out to to our honorable CM. We pointed out that Assam does not have Himas. They don't have scheduled lands. They don't have Himas. They don't have Akengs. So we put out our points. Our honorable Chief Minister has also told us that they will try to look into the matter. They will see to it what can be done in this matter. So that is all. That is all we discussed today. We are pursuing with our demands that these places which belong to the Hima Nonglang and Nongbak Akeng should remain with Meghalaya. That is our demand. We have already talked with the CM, and he has promised that he'll look into the matter. Actually, these particular areas which we are talking about, these are not even included in the MOU. These places belong to Meghalaya, and this mistake happened during while the demarcation was done in the paper while this map was being drawn. So these are technical mistakes. So we have pointed out to them. They have also seen our point. They have also realized that there must be something. So he's saying that we can look into the matter, but the original MOU that they cannot review. But then this might be technical mistakes, so they might be able to rectify this.
Can you mention the name of this village?
These are Malang Huhuapara, Malang Salbari, and Malang Joypur.
Okay. And we took the advantage also to appraise the Chief Minister, because there's still a second phase and third phase of discussion for resolving this border issue. So we told them that you take this advantage, approach the government, Assam, because there will be some, in the second phase or third phase, there may be so many area of differences. So I think the government should take advantage of it, how to get back these lands also. It's not about reviewing all the MOU, but there will be a healthy discussion with the counterpart, with the Assam government. That's what our suggestion. But up to now, our stand is still remain the same, that we are asking the government to kindly, find out the possibilities how to get back all the areas.
And Shuh benrap no you can cek kenduk kita kesel. Dien baka sarkar yung atlik sarkar gila. Ya sanya kata ni dia soy taka MOU hadang jadi penbet itu sam. Apan kemau ba atlik meeting ba sarkar ini kala kot kun Sengbhalang. Apa snow baka sarkar kala along kot jumut itu kata pan penbet itu sam nama ba. Kani kamdai Shuh ke barang dawam tam tak layak sampok di sini. Jika ibang ya ajimut untuk kopor kolong rubah kada bensim ban bias ikut ada studi bakar kada bensim bro bias ke konsep joka isti pat ka juk kopor kada ban pensionong rem bro pat ban snap masnur ni kiet ki hima ka stek council hirushmet ki badon ki kot kislah tehendai hadin kan ka fast phase ko ajat tentu ni i kedon ka jing ya bom hon ka bun ba kimi ikan nok ka kidon ikan hon ki ba dalam tempat maya sendiri ke anu, kadang terjebak sohon, kadang dapat bak penpau lojong jump penpau. Henry habang ia kenduk kesengi persnow ia kini hadian bila, ya moros katu bersengap kecing sisa. Ini nak kalian ke sorkar orang tak pergi kata ka, jenglong juman ba, nang lu kasim bat lu kasih. Henry ini siapa kini kajing persang ia keban, droyok taulan kamdai bedak sudiam tau ajar aku arti. Kemudian ini sorkar minta orang perajian luar hajar. Kanu kebadat, kanu kebalat nak try ke sorkar, ke sejawab ni nama penjawab on behalf of government. Henry, kai bangi kuat ban persus ke sorkar minta sih ke lomba. Ngisu tu, bak sorkar ong kau long ba ban ong ban ya keren sepang tu ka review tu ka ebo. Henry nak try ba ke Assam badang hab India, kami clear hab India. Atrai kadon kalenti fiu ban wa kilat kalenti katang I ka jing start kam sarkar jika nongrem ko chungi Kren kalong ba kamdai ban yuben ne ban kletno jeng jaumat jung cuki beri bosong hai boda mengakren ni kata kalong omdai menumnu balik suma tu bijaka tu da khani san pho tu digisnam maki osuma ndo sia itu bijaka apa la kalong bo ki hap himan bi la pisnong ne kira ko ta ta jika kau sekarang tak ngasok kau ngi ijin start sekarang rai kan orang tu yang kalong ba ngin ye peteng ye keban pet binia an kakam bat ngit tu sorkar kan thau bi bat kan ti Bat kaju ko por. Ni la Kren ka ba Shai ba sokar menta ban ong ba. Menta ka pen tre ya kas confuse. Ni ong ba haswa ban sim bi kono karai khadu. Ne ban ong ban ya sign ka MOU. Kadi ban sim ya consideration ban take on board. Jiki pat ba sok snang tu bijaka. Ken le ban la. Ang skmat ba kas nang mi bun ki ken rum ka. Hot ni so thu ba kam le ka ba suk. Kan jing pen put pen sa. Ni so thu ka asam kan kam mek le kan kam. Kedon ka jing ya kam yang tan re. Kata ba kedon ka lanti ka badai ba baik. Ka jing start ka chung phi nget ba. Kenam don ka kan rum kan. Kong san ka long itrashno literally tremolo ibabat da kendo ko siap et ke hima rangkat just konsel pihak dan jumut ba sokaro kam da bijai la jibi kana makna mi kan kan la kan syurai tang kata ka komiti badong ka tu ka nengot ngat rayu se kadang wa ka sken feel su kadang mi biak jing e tilang ba kan ni ka jing kendu ta sengi ka long kom kawai ka bangi ajmut sarkar ba asken feel su kam da mi kan ram bat ka ju ka por yakini ki jingmi jingyam kecing bom hun jong pi patba pi badi no tusno bi boda ya kan ke fast pi su bi ong sarkar ba kan thab bi la kanti pada ka ong kamla su kan service ka euro to andai na suban ong ba ka me khria kan de Pakistan ka Assam kam de ka Bangladesh andai ka de India ngasrai ka jing start ka jongki punu ban thab bi la kanti ka hunda kita jingna ikum ngakran nang kong ngi samban ni ban ya ban pan jing khen mano bakla bano mokla Sarkar ka syang baik ke sarkar. Jadi siya Kren hok lelai budon sarkar arjat khawai kidon sarkar mentaru. Ngimla ban jubab on behalf jong kita government menta ba kan government balale. Ndai ngas ngoban ong ba ya ka hok jong pajba bala san public snem bisumak ya khandok siap ngatrai ka syang wajing start sarkar kuno ka pandai. Ya menta ngem pala ban ong ka senjam menghap ban dia. Handai ngihap ban puli benya ba ngihap ban ya. Kerja tay seni ba om tangi kum Sengbhalang kene kata lai tharam don ku Sengbhalang bodon cakap ko khapun haring hapnya slok et ki hima yang ba shnong itrashno bodon to ya ik step in session nis
I baka kas ngai kan Shai mata sini baka nakalen to sarkar ko ong ba ketika ba penbet ni khapun ka base bet nakatoka nakamap la draw daga house nam avda khatway daga we government tingi ong pek impa kan the government on the context of the kanang ni jipen khaput unde banang ta ka blame game mabal iu daga kanik sarkar ko ong ba yakini ki boundaries baro ada tho na ada demarcate daga sarkar ko banang avda khatway komut da phi phi ba klaru tak scam ma pi kan jaba kla gitu jadi ta kadam ni ong ba ya ke ba phi su thu ba kam dei ban lo ya Phai ya kata kan umli ban Shuh kenyap nak ban kenok ban tekti ban em no ban ngi Shuh le be ke bala dam le dap droi ta kamak ho ata khat dia kata dap kan Shai mana nama ta kan pan pau ba pada ka sarkar ke i ba ka bijing le ka sarkar ka ban ha ada khat wai le kini ki kalau ma ki scam kan ki ni ba ban ta.
That is what they have claimed. They have showed us the technicalities, the maps that they have shown us that they have said that it was submitted on 2011. That is what the Honorable Chief Minister has told us. But we'll look into it. We believe that whatever he is saying, we believe that he will be saying that he will be telling the truth. However, we'll double check whether it is what he is saying it is. We'll double check it, and then we'll proceed accordingly. However, he has clarified to us that this is only a technical mistake. While drawing of the map, this was a mistake done. It was done in 2011. That is what he has told us. So in this regard, we told them that regardless, we want these villages, since it has been part of Meghalaya since time immemorial. So we just need these villages back in Meghalaya. We cannot allow these villages to be parted away to Assam. Malang, Huhuapara, Malang Salbari, and Malang Joypur. These are the three main villages. We'll keep in touch with the government. This is not the last time that we are coming to Shillong. This is not the last time that we are having a meeting with them. In fact, this is the first time that we are having a meeting. So we'll keep in touch with them. We'll follow up whether they are following up these to rectify the technical mistakes that they have stated. They have shown us the maps and everything. So whether they are trying or not, we'll try to contact with them. If we feel that they are not trying enough from their end, then we might continue. We might resume our different form of visitations.